Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all wrong Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, tap here, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, then tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. After that we can close this. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Tap here. Then turn on Wi-Fi. Tap here and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap on this Wi-Fi label. Now phone is searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From this list you can select your Wi-Fi network. Let me select home Wi-Fi. That is the Wi-Fi network I am using. Then enter Wi-Fi password here. Then tap on connect. See, connected. This way we can reset all wrong Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.